Now, one thing about owning a home, sooner or later you're going to have to do some minor furniture repairs.
Well, here's a problem, Danny, you see in a lot of homes where a wooden chair has started to come apart and the chair rung has popped right out of the hole in the leg. Like typically what people do to fix this is just squeeze a little more glue in there and clamp it together.
Yeah, that never works. I've tried that myself.
No, within a couple of weeks you're back to square one. So what I like to do is first start with a straight blade screwdriver and scrape out any of the old glue that you can get out of the hole. This way the rung will go as deeply into the hole as it originally was and won't be blocked by the old glue. And then take some carpenter's glue and put plenty on the end of the rung and a little in the hole. Okay, then just smear it around a little bit. Push the rung back in and pull it together. Now this chair, it actually fits pretty tightly together, so we don't need to clamp it. Okay. But here's the real trick. Earlier, before I put any glue in it, I drilled a small diameter hole about the same size as a finishing nail. What it does is it allows any of the excess glue we just put in there to squeeze out. Okay. This way the dowel will go all the way deeply into the hole, otherwise the glue will block it. Then once you have it tight together, and hold that for me, just put the nail in the hole here and tack it in, and this nail will help hold everything together until the glue dries. And then, even if the glue joint breaks, the dowel won't come out.
Great.